me. That would have been that would have been terrible. Okay, we're good. We're broadcasting now. So question number 3 is answer number 3, or the third answer.
Yep.
Okay, cool.
Question 4. How are bar charts and Pareto charts related?
So that one, I selected the third one, where the Pareto chart is ordered largest to smallest, going from left to right.
I agree.
Okay, cool. I'll take number 5. Okay, so given that data, is P the true proportion or the sample proportion?
I said sample.
You put sample?
Yeah.
Okay. For that one, I do have true proportion. Let me look at my notes real quick. Give me a sec.
I was thinking when I read that the P with the thing on top of it was the true proportion.
Can you repeat that one more time? Because you're saying it's the sample one, right?
Yeah. I was saying that the P with the little thing on top of it is the true proportion, and the regular P is the sample proportion.
I think it's
The other way around.
The other way around, yeah. If you want, I can go ahead and turn it in first. We'll see if I get it right or wrong, and then I'll have you turn it in after that if you like.
Okay.
Just so that we can take. Oh, Kelsey's in?
Yep.
Hey, Kelsey. Cool. So we were on number 5, so we can backtrack. It's only a couple of questions.
Okay, perfect. That would be great.
So just let us know when you're ready, and we can start on question 3.
Yeah, sorry, I'm trying to get logged in super quick.
No
I just
worries.
got home and whipped myself up some dinner, because if I didn't do it then, I probably never would have done it. I would like died of starvation.
Well, food is important.
A little bit. It's coming, so that's okay. All right. Okay. Here's a link. Okay. Where are the slices? Different size. So in a pie chart, why are the slice sectors different sizes? That's because each slice represents a category, and the area of each slice represents the proportion of the total occupied by the category.
Yes.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
How are bar charts and Pareto charts related? The only difference between a bar and a Pareto is that the bars in the Pareto are ordered largest to smallest, going from left to right.
Got it.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And okay, so I'm on 5. Have you guys answered 5 and you're going on to 6, or you're on 5?
We just discussed 5.
Okay. We conclude that P is normally distributed if n times P is greater or equal to 10, and n times 1 minus P is greater than or equal to 10.
So that one we were split.
Mm-hmm.
Caitlin said sample, and I said true.
Okay, what were the reasonings for both? Because I would almost say sample.
What was it that you said? You said that the P hat, right, is the one for the true proportion, or sorry, the sample proportion. And I think I read that it was the opposite way. That P is the true proportion.
Yeah, because I think the P with the little thingy on top of it is the true proportion, and P is the sample proportion.
Oh, see? Because what I read was what Isaac read, so I'm going to go with Isaac. Okay, and what is N? Sorry, I'm here with you guys now.
N I have as the sample size.
Yeah, I agree. if P equals a quarter, what is the smallest n that satisfies that requirement?
I wasn't sure about this one.
Hold on, let me look at my notes.
We could always use the formula. The formula for P hat is P hat equals X times N.
I didn't hear what you said.
Oh, I'm just wondering if we have X. Would it be 4? That would make sense to me, as you'd have to have at least 4 to get a proper fraction of a fourth.
Oh, right, for it to equal 1, because probabilities all have to equal to 1, right?
Yeah, but this is like the sample size. That's why I'm not sure.
Oh. It's statistics, it's all the same to me.
Exactly. Isaac, what are you getting?
Sorry, I'm going over my notes. That one I did get 40 instead of 4.
40?
Yeah. So if you go to the formula above question number 5, where it's NP greater or equal to 10, and then N times 1 minus P is greater or equal to 10.
Oh.
So you use that to plug in the. So it says 1/4. Let's see. I'm trying to remember my notes. I can't.
You're good.
You're fine.
That just makes sense because you said plug in the formula.
Yeah. So I took so 1/4 is 0.25.
Yep.
And so that I plugged it in for P. Where it says NP greater or equal to 10. I substituted P for 0.25.
Did you do it for the other one too?
Yes.
And you still got 40?
No, give me a second. Yeah, because I divided 10 by 0.25, and that's how I got 40.
That makes sense.
Wouldn't it be 10 divided by 0.25, not 0.25 divided by 10?
Can you repeat that one more time, please?
Never mind, you did it the same way. And then,
So do we all agree on 40?
That's what I have.
Well, but if you do the second formula, and you go, so you go 1 minus 0.25, you get 0.75, and then you go 10 divided by 0.75, you get 13.333. I would almost say 14 is the smallest sample size based on those. So I'm going to type that in, and we'll see what happens, okay?
Yeah.
Because I could be wrong, and it would make sense. I'm playing devil's advocate right now.
No, you're fine.
What is the mean of P? Isn't that 0.4?
Yes.
Okay. Standard deviation of, oh dear heavens.
I don't think that's what the question says.
That definitely. That's what it says on my end. I don't know what you guys are looking at. Okay. Equals. Then we have square root. Our P is 0.04, right? Times 1 minus 0.4 divided by n. What was our N number? 24?
Yes.
Okay. I got 0.032.
Okay.
Which one is that for?
Question 9.
Okay. What was it that you got?
0.032.
So for that one, I did get 0.1. And I used the.
Oh, round answer. Oh, to the 10th place. Well, then mine would have been 0.
Yeah, what I did for that one, I used the formula that where it's a p hat equals the square root of p times 1 minus p over
I did that too.
n.
I did that too, and that's what I got.
Oh, okay. So yeah, the way I set it up, it was 0.4 times 1 minus 0.4 over 24.
Did you do it in Excel? Because I did it in Excel.
Oh no, I just did it on my phone calculator.
Oh,
did you get 0.1?
Because I typed it straight into Excel. So square root, in parentheses, everything.
Square root p parentheses 1 minus p close parentheses.
Divide by n.
Yes.
Yeah. That's what I got.
Well, what'd you get, Caitlin?
The same thing as you. I got 0.1.
0.1.
Okay. Devil's advocate again. Hold on. Okay. I'll play devil's advocate. We'll see what happens.
Is it square rooting it?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's square rooting it.
Weird.
Yeah, that's why I was kind of confused. But yeah, that's all typed in.
Question 10.
When Brittany's batting average is this, determine probability.
How did we get 10?
10?
What is p?
What is p hat? Isn't that 0.3?
0.35. 35 divided by.
So that one is dividing to 2 decimal places. So it would be
So what's
0.35.
Oh, is XP?
What are you talking about? What X?
Well, because the formula I have for, if you guys aren't saying p hat is the same thing as p, then I'm looking at the p hat formula, which is x divided by n.
For the standard deviation?
No, I'm number 10.
Oh, sorry. I was looking at the next one.
No, I'm on 10, and I said 0.3, and nobody answered.
Oh,
And then you guys started listing off different answers, and I was like, what?
That's what I put.
Oh, okay, cool. Sorry. Standard deviation of p. We're good now.
I'm sorry.
You're just confused the tender sushi roll. It's fine.
Okay, so question 11?
Yep.
Yes.
Okay. What is the standard deviation of p hat?
0.046.
How do we get that one right? We're reading at the previous one right.
What did you get, Isaac?
That the 0.046.
Okay.
And that was that same formula. That's number 9.
Yep.
Mm-hmm. And then p hat minus p minus standard deviation. So equals 0.3 divided by. So for the z-score, I got negative 6.222.
I had a question about that one.
Uh-huh.
For the formula I have, we use the p hat minus the p. So what would you use number-wise for those variables?
I have 0.35 minus 0.3.
Wait, p hat's 0.35?
Oh. How'd you get 0.35?
That's what I got for question 10. That's where you guys got 0.3, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But then when you round it to the 2 decimal places, it would be 0.35.
And how do you determine that?
For question number 10.
Yeah, because I just went off p was 0.3 and I was fine with that.
Yeah, for that one, I just divided 35 by 100.
Oh, okay.
And then you round to 2 decimal places, and it's 0.35.
Oh.
Okay, that changes my answer a little bit, but not enough. I still got negative 6.171.
Sorry, it's my daughter. She's tired.
Oh, you're fine.
Yeah, so for number 12, the way I set it up was the 0.35 minus 0.3. And then that's over. And then here you got to use the big number. So I have point.
Hold on. I thought
right.
I did wrong. I didn't parentheses p hat minus p. Now that I did that, I got a more decent number. 1.087. Your guys' thought?
Oh, sorry?
I got 1.087.
1.087. I got 1.091.
That's what I got.
Are you guys doing this on your calculators or in Excel?
On my calculator.
On calculator. So the way I set it up is the 0.35 minus 0.3 over. And then you're going to use the answer that you got for number 11.
Which was 0.046, right?
Well, the thing is that the book says that you can't use the rounded number. You got to use the whole thing that you get on the calculator. So the whole number would be 0.0458257569. You got to use the whole thing.
Well, the whole number is longer than that.
That's what I got on the calculator on mine.
Oh, because see, I went into Excel and I'm pushing all the zeros back, and it didn't start zeroing out. So I can have 0.0452575694955584.
Yeah, you got a longer one. Yeah, mine stopped at the first 9.
Yeah.
Okay.
The calculators have less space than Excel does, I think.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So now I got 1.091.
Yeah.
What is the probability that Brittany will get at least 35 hits in her next 100 battles? More than 35 hits. 35 hits is her average. Is that what we do, the 2 over? So the middle and the right?
It would only, I think, be the right.
You think so?
Yeah, because since it's over, you would only get the right side.
Okay. Then I got 0.1376. Or sorry, 0.137 or 8.
Yeah, 0.138.
Mm-hmm. Then what is the standard deviation of P for those letters?
Is this where we would do 0.52 divided by 2000?
0.52 times 1 minus 0.52 divided by 2,000.
Yes.
And then you square it. I mean, you get the square root of it. You don't square it, whatever.
Okay. And it was 5.2, you said?
0.52, yeah.
Yeah, 0.52.
Okay, I got 0.012.
Is that what you got, Caitlin? Or because I got 0.011.
I got 0.004.
Let me see.
It is 0. Oh, no, never mind. I counted out a 1. You're right, Isaac.
0.011.
Yeah, I discounted the 1, and I put the 7 before it. So, you're right. At least from what I got.
Oh, recalculated. I subtracted instead of divided.
Oh, that might be a problem.
You got it, Caitlin?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, cool.
What z-score would you use? In this case, p hat is 0.52, right?
I think it would be 0.50.
0.5?
Yeah.
That's what I'm wondering, is because it doesn't explicitly express that. So.
I got it from the percentage of the votes. It says getting less than 50% of the votes.
Yeah, that's it. It just doesn't say like that specifically. That's what I was concerned about. Okay, I got negative 0.790.
What'd you say?
I got negative 1.790.
790?
Negative 1.790.
I got negative 1.818.
I give up. I'm just gonna put a none.
For that one, I got negative 1.79.
Guys, join me.
I am. I probably calculated something wrong.
Yeah. I'll go ahead and join you.
What is the probability
of the survey results? Oh, sorry.
Here you go.
I was gonna start reading too.
I'm just as tired as your daughter is.
Okay, so what is the probability the survey results will show the candidate is losing even though the true P equals 0.52?
So is that both the middle and the left, or just the left?
Losing the true. If it's losing, maybe just the left.
Okay.
What's the answer? Let's see.
I got 0.037.
Yes.
Yeah. All right, I'm submitting rapid fire.
Awesome.
To see what I get. Yeah, no, I got that one wrong. I knew that. I get that one wrong. 1. Did you guys get question 7 right?
I got everything right.
Okay, so 40 was correct.
So for 7? Oh yeah, 40.
Okay, so 40 was correct then. So that was the one we were supposed to use.
Yes.
And then for 9, you guys got 0.01?
0.1.
0.1. How did you guys get that again?
So the way you set it up was.
Those were the only two I missed.
Sorry?
Because those were the only two I missed.
The way I set it up is so the square root of 0.4 parentheses 1 minus 0.4 close parentheses over 24.
Excuse me.
And so then it would be 0.4 times 0.6 over 24.
Maybe I need to put another set of parentheses around. Probably.
Well, that was one of the problems where we did it by hand and you did it with Excel.
Mm-hmm.
So.
Yeah, because at the end, what you end up getting is 0.24 divided by 24. And so that's how you would get the 0.1.
Yeah, that's what. Here, humor me. Tell me the numbers again. So N was 24.
P was 0.4.
P was 24?
0.4.
Hold on. And then P was 0.4.
Mm-hmm.
See. And then P hat was what? 0.4 as well?
You don't need the P hat.
Yeah, I didn't have anything for the P hat.
Oh, that might have been my problem then.
It's just the inside that you work.
I think I did try to use P hat. That makes sense.
You use P hat with the Z score.
Yeah, I think that's where I went wrong, was there. That's the day I die. Negative 1.790. Okay. I've got it.
Perfect.
Wonderful.
No worries. I'll go ahead and post the link to the discussion board. No worries. Thank you guys. Get ready for the joys of parenthood. All right.
I don't know. I might just hide from it.
Yeah, it can get tiring sometimes.
I bet.
Alrighty. Well, have a good night. Thank you for your help.
Yeah, thank you. Night.
See you on Thursday.
Yeah. Oh wait, really quick. Who's gonna do the thing on Thursday?
Goodness, that is a good question. Oh, didn't submit my quiz either.
I can do it if no one else can.
Can you get the next one and then we can see the following week?
Yeah, I can do that.
Okay, cool.
See you on Thursday.
Do you have my email or do you need me to send it over?
I have everyone's email.
Oh, okay, perfect. Alrighty. We'll see you on Thursday then.
See ya.
Bye.
Good night.
Bye.